Hi, konnichiwa. Welcome to Speak Japanese Naturally. I'm Fumi. It's been a while and I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded new videos for a while, but here is the one. And today I will tell you how and when to use ne, yo, and yone. These are called ending particles and show how you feel or see the situation. And these are for spoken language, not written one. So if you can use these, you will sound more natural. Now let's watch short videos of ne, yo, and yone. お邪魔します。ねえ、ちょっとこれ買ったの？かわいいね。そうなの、買っちゃったの。お茶どうぞ。ありがとう。うわ、何この部屋。片付けなさい。わかってるよ。ねえ、これさ、難しいよね。難しいよね。Let's think about ne first. So ne is used for something that both the speaker and the listener know or feel the same. So the important thing is that the speaker knows that the listener shares the same feeling or opinion. Okay, so it can be used to confirm, but usually the speaker knows what the other person thinks or feels. Okay, let's watch the video again. お邪魔します。ねえ、ちょっとこれ買ったの？かわいいね。そうなの、買っちゃったの。お茶どうぞ。ありがとう。So in the video, the speaker said, これ買ったの？かわいいね。かわいいね。So the speaker knows that the owner of this thing thinks this is kawaii because she bought this. So she used kawaii ne. Let me give you some other examples. When two of you are watching a movie and when the other person laughs at some point, you can say, この映画面白いね。この映画面白いね。Because you know that the other person thinks this movie is funny too. Or when you remember that a piece of cake you ate yesterday with the other person was delicious. And you both agreed about that. And you can say, ねえ、昨日食べたケーキ美味しかったね。And then the other would say, 美味しかったね。ねえ、昨日食べたケーキ美味しかったね。美味しかったね。Or if you know that the person in front of you is Mr. Tanaka and you say, 田中さんですね。田中さんですね。And when you hear something and you feel the same as the speaker feels, you use ね。For example, ねえ、テストで100点取っちゃった。よかったね。And when you agree with something that the other person says, you say, そうですね。そうだね。For example, 今日寒いね。そうだね。And this mark from Facebook is called いいねボタン。いいね。But this mark from YouTube is usually called 高評価。And so Japanese YouTubers say, もしこの動画が気に入ったらチャンネル登録と高評価お願いします。So usually in YouTube this is 高評価 and in Facebook this is いいね。The basic usage of ね is talking about something both the speaker and the other person know about and shares the same feeling or the same opinion. And we use ね a lot. Now let's think about yo. Okay, let's watch the video first. なさい。わかってるよ。Yo is used to communicate something that the other person doesn't know or realize. So, in the video, the daughter knows that she has to clean her room, but then her mother told her to do so. So she was like, I know that I have to clean my room, but mother, you don't know that I know I have to clean my room, but I know that. So she add yo, and actually that shows her annoyance. And the mother can add yo too. In the case that yo can strengthen what she's saying. 片付けなさいよ. But usually yo is used when the speaker thinks that the other person doesn't know about it. So, for example, when two of you are talking about a movie and the other person hasn't watched the movie yet, you can say, この映画面白いよ。おすすめだよ。この映画面白いよ。おすすめだよ。Or when two of you are looking at somewhere and you find a cat there, you can say, ねえ、あそこに猫がいるよ。猫がいるよ。Which means that you think the other person hasn't realized about the cat. So you add yo at the end. So when you are talking about something that the other person doesn't know, you can add yo. But if you use yo too much, it sounds like you think the other person doesn't know anything. So if someone uses yo too much to me, I feel like the other person treats me as a stupid person who doesn't know anything. So I recommend you not to use yo too much. Okay, and all those examples that I showed you today can be used without yo. Now let's think about yone. Yone, and let's watch the video first. ねえ、これさ、難しいよね。難しいよね。Yone is used to confirm something that the speaker isn't 100% sure about. In the video, the person A thinks the question is difficult, but she wasn't entirely sure about that. So she wanted to confirm if this the question is really difficult. So she asked, これ難しいよね. And the other person said, 難しいよね. Another example is that when you think that person over there is Mr. Tanaka, but you aren't 100% sure about that, and you ask someone close to you, あの人田中さんですよね。あそこの人田中さんですよね。And the other person can answer, そうですよ。そうですよ。Let's review today's point. ね、よね conveys the speaker's view of the other person or things. So ね is used for something that both the speaker and the listener know or feel the same. Yo is used when the speaker thinks the listener doesn't know about it or realize it. Yone is used to confirm something that the speaker isn't 100% sure about. The best way to become familiar with the way these particles are used is to pay attention to how they are used in a real conversation when you are watching anime or dramas, and then you know how they are used. Okay? So that's all for today, and thank you Janet for checking the script, and thank you for watching this video. また次のビデオで会いましょう。それじゃあね。